Welcome everybody to the AxeUSCE STATA tutoring. So today we're going to have a session about how to make scatter plots. We will also be discussing how to make two-way scatter plots. We will also discuss how to make box plots. And the interesting thing here, I will also teach you how to find the p-values for each scatter plots. Also, you will learn how to find the p-values for box plots and the three-way box plots and also the two-way box plots. In this video, I will also teach you the cheat code, how you can do the coding for graph editing. Sometimes you do manual editing if you want to add some text to your graph. This one you can also do it through coding, and I'll teach you here. So first I will like to clear the dataset and set my directory, which is my folder where I'm going to get my data from. Now I'm going to open my data. So the command here is graph two-way scatter. That's the module we're going to use in the STATA format. My variables are AVC and LVOT, area at 1 millimeter, which is area of one of the valve of the heart. And this is the calcium score. So this is a continuous variable, and this is also a continuous variable. So here we're going to do the Pearson correlation between two continuous variables. And here these are my basically the size of the labels and the title on the x-axis and the y-axis, so which you can change here according to your format. And this is the title. You can put your title. So if you want to change this coding, you're going to change this, and you're going to change this title names and this title. So let me show you. All right, once I run this code, it give me a nice graph, which you can see here. This is the graph after running the command. And here I will like to add the p-values. Now this is a Pearson correlation between the calcium score and the valve area, but I don't have the p-value here, so we need a PW core module for that. So let me show you the p-value. So the module here is PW core, AVC, and the LVOT area, and then you put the command sig. This number is your p-value here. So our p-value is significant. Now we would like to add that p-value to our figures. The way to do it, so you're gonna create a figure again. Okay, this is the coding for the figure. So you will click the graph editor, and then the graph editor gonna open. Next, you will like to start recording of the graph editor. This is very important. So you're going to click here, then you're going to click this T, and you're going to put here p-value equals or p-value less than 0.0001. You can make it small, you can do all of these changes. So then you're going to click OK. Now this will going to show you the p-value here. Now you can stop recording. Once you're going to stop recording, it will ask you to save this file. So you can, I'm going to save it as like box sample. I'm actually going to save it as correlation sample. Then you're going to click save. You can X out from this graph. Now from the do file, you're going to click open. After doing the open, you're going to go to the documents, the STATA folder, and in the STATA folder you're going to have a grec. So you're going to open this grec. Okay, so sometimes it doesn't open the first go, so you're going to open it again because my system is linked with my cloud. If it doesn't open like that, you're going to click hide options, and you're going to click all files. So once you're going to click all files, it's going to open, and it will give you this huge code you're going to copy this code, actually the one in the white. You're going to take that and put it in your do file here. You can put it here. And then right before each line, you're going to write gr under edit. That's our module. You're going to use gr under edit, gr under edit, gr under edit. And similarly, you're going to go do it here. You're going to do it here. And you're going to do it here. All right. So now we're going to run the same coding. This time we are running the code for the two-way scatter plots, and also we are running the code for the cheat code which we created, so that automatically it adds the p-value which we found by pwcore. So you can see here, now it added exactly the p-value which I added before. This way, if you keep on saving all these codes after doing the graph editor recording, you don't have to manually edit the graphs, and you can put all these codings into your do file, and it will save your time. Next, I would like to show how to make a two-way scatter plots. So two-way scatter, so you're going to put a two-way scatter, and you can put those continuous variables. Then if you have a categorical variable, you can specify by if, and you can give the first variable a color. And similarly, you can do same strategy for the second variable. And I'm going to run this code for you. And you can see here, this pink color is for the females and the blue color is for the males, and that's their calcium score for their given valves. You can change these names also. Next, I would like to talk about the box plots. So box plots, here I would like to make a box plot about the calcium on one of the valve of the heart for each of the male and the female. So this is a two-way box plot. The box plot here, aortic valve calcium, is a continuous variable. This is the categorical variable, and this is also a categorical variable. So this is my two-way box plot. Here we have the males and the females. This is their area of the valve, and this is their calcium of the valve. Now I don't have the p-values here, so you can use two different kind of models. One is you can use ANOVA, one is you can use K-Wallace. So the important part is, like, usually K-Wallace is a little bit more accurate than ANOVA. So K-Wallace is the Kruskal-Wallace, and the analysis of variance. They're both used to analyze the differences between groups in the statistical data. ANOVA assumes that the data is normally distributed. However, data was not normally distributed, so we prefer Kruskal-Wallace test. But you can do ANOVA if you want to. So I'm going to show you just in case for the sake of the coding. So Kruskal-Wallace, you're going to put the, so here, I have one continuous variable, then I have two categorical variables. So here I'm going to use Kruskal-Wallace, which is K-Wallace module, and I'm going to use it by this category, and I'm going to specify the gender. And similarly, here my gender is female, and here's the males. So I'm going to run it. So now this is my box plot, which I showed you guys before. And here you can see Kruskal-Wallace gave me the p-value for the females and p-value for males also. That was pretty much it for today. Please subscribe our channel. We will come with excellent videos in order to train you the statistical portion